Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, weekend's almost here. We are on to Friday. 81 degrees right now, still at this late hour because of the humidity and the dew point. Feels like 86 degrees. A balmy night once again with temperatures that reached 90 degrees earlier this afternoon. I think we'll get close to that once again for tomorrow. And we'll talk about some changes. The thunderstorms, the daily rounds are going to continue here through the weekend, but the movement is going to be a little different. So I think that's going to favor us for Saturday and into Sunday. There's Next Radar Network just picking up on a couple of showers just across Florida Bay. Otherwise, we're looking pretty dry at this point here after significant rainfall across Miami-Dade and into Broward County as well, with anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. I'm putting here the last 3 days, so it's these hit and miss, but when you factor it all in, most of us get rain at some point during 3 to 5 days, so we don't get missed out here. Now, the Keys not as much precip, but we'll get you there as we head into the weekend as well with showers and storms. So this is where we have been. This is where we're going to be tomorrow. The arrows indicating the steering currents. Thunderstorms don't steer themselves. They go in the direction of this flow, and so that has been pinning them and getting them right along the metros here. That's going to switch up on Saturday and Sunday. Not that we won't get showers or storms. I just think the interior areas are going to be favored for that as everything gets pushed to the west as an easterly flow begins to develop. And then right back into what we are leaving for the weekend into next week, another southwest flow, and that means thunderstorms are going to be favoring the East Coast. The difference next week as well will be a lot of tropical moisture is going to get involved, and I think the storms that will develop have the potential to put down some locally heavy downpours. In fact, may not be so locally, maybe a little more widespread. So we'll keep you posted on that. But let's get through the weekend first as we check in for tomorrow, Friday, and through the afternoon. There you see the showers and thunderstorms beginning to bubble up just like they did today, and then pushing towards the east with some rounds of potential flood advisories. Once again, can't rule those out as we've had the last couple of days. So Saturday morning, we're looking good, and then by the afternoon, look at the difference here. We'll have showers and storms developing across our interior neighborhoods, but then everything continues to migrate towards the southwest coast. And when you see that, a great indication of that east flow that's going to, I think, allow for less coverage for us heading into Saturday and Sunday. Atlantic waters looking good as we check in on boating conditions. No alerts for the Florida Keys as well. I'll leave you with the forecast for tomorrow with temperatures in the upper 80s and rain chances right around 40 to 50%. We'll keep them that way, and we'll keep the temperatures right where they have been. Highs in the upper 80s to near 90. A little bit cooler next week with heavier rainfall.